Welcome back to our channel, where we share practical advice and tips to make your parenting journey a breeze.
And today, we have a topic that many of you have been requesting, the highly effective 3-day potty training method. We understand that potty training can be a daunting task, so we're here to guide you every step of the way.
So grab a pen and paper, get comfortable, and get ready to master the art of potty training in just 3 days. Let's begin with the basics. The 3-day potty training method is a popular approach known for its efficiency in helping toddlers transition from diapers to using the potty independently.
And the best part is that it's not as complicated as it may seem. The key ingredients for success are consistency, positive reinforcement, and a structured routine.
Preparation is crucial. So let's start by talking about the essential steps you need to take before diving into the 3-day potty training journey.
First things first, gather all the necessary supplies. You'll need a child-sized potty chair, comfortable training pants, flushable wipes, and don't forget some rewards or incentives to motivate your little one along the way.
Timing is also important. Choose a long weekend or a period when you can dedicate uninterrupted time to focus solely on your child's potty training. This way, you can give them your full attention and support.
Once you've gathered the supplies and chosen the right timing, it's time to introduce the concept of potty training to your child. You can read books, watch videos, or have casual conversations about using the potty. This helps create a positive association and gets them excited about this new adventure.
Now let's dive into the 3-day potty training process itself. On day 1, our main focus is intensive training.
Start by setting reminders for your child to sit on the potty every 30 minutes, even if they don't show signs of needing to go. Make it a positive experience by engaging them in fun activities or reading a favorite book while they're on the potty.
And remember, positive reinforcement is key. Praise your child for every effort they make, regardless of the outcome. This encourages them to associate using the potty with a sense of accomplishment.
Accidents are bound to happen during this learning phase, so it's important to handle them calmly. Instead of getting upset, calmly guide your child to the potty and emphasize that accidents are a normal part of the process. Clean up together and reassure them that they're doing a great job.
Moving on to day 2, our goal is to reinforce the routine and increase your child's awareness of their body's cues.
Gradually increase the time between potty breaks to around 45 minutes or an hour. Encourage your child to recognize the signals their body gives them when they need to use the potty.
It's important to stay vigilant during this phase. Keep an eye out for signs that your child needs to go, such as squirming or holding their diaper area. Prompt them to use the potty whenever you notice these cues. By doing so, you're helping them develop a better understanding of their body's signals.
And remember to provide positive reinforcement for their efforts. Celebrate their successes, whether it's a successful trip to the potty or even just an attempt. This boosts their confidence and motivates them to continue their potty training journey.
Great point, Tim. Now let's move on to day 3, the day of independence and mastery.
On this day, we want to encourage self-reliance and solidify your child's newfound skills. Increase the time intervals between potty breaks to 1 to 2 hours, allowing your child to take the initiative and go to the potty independently.
It's crucial to maintain a positive and supportive environment throughout the process. Remind your child that they're doing an amazing job and that you believe in their ability to use the potty on their own.
Now, we know that nighttime potty training may require some additional time and patience. While the 3-day potty training method primarily focuses on daytime training, you can gradually introduce nighttime training as well. Consider using disposable training pants or placing a waterproof sheet on the bed to protect against accidents.
Alongside the 3-day potty training process, we have some additional tips that will enhance your chances of success.
First and foremost, maintain patience and consistency. Every child learns at their own pace, so stay patient throughout the journey. Remember, accidents and setbacks are part of the learning process.
It's important to use positive reinforcement to motivate and encourage your child. Praise and reward them for their efforts and achievements. This reinforces the habit of using the potty and boosts their confidence.
Address setbacks calmly. If your child has an accident or struggles with using the potty, respond with understanding and reassurance. Reassure them that it's okay to make mistakes and that they're making progress.
Communication with other caregivers is also essential. If your child spends time with grandparents, daycare providers, or other caregivers, make sure to communicate the potty training method and routine to ensure consistency across all environments.
And there you have it. Our comprehensive guide to mastering the 3-day potty training method.
We hope this guide has given you the confidence and tools you need to embark on this exciting potty training journey with your little one.
Remember, each child is unique, so adapt the approach to suit your child's individual needs. With patience, consistency, and positive reinforcement, you can guide them towards successful potty training.
If you have any questions or need further guidance, please feel free to leave a comment below. We're here to support you every step of the way.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on parenting tips and tricks.
Thank you so much for watching, and best of luck on your 3-day potty training journey.